we are going to do a breathing exercise called the box breath. So our breath is an incredible way that we can control our nervous system and which parts of our nervous system are active. So we have two main parts of our nervous system: the sympathetic mode, which is our stress, our fight or flight mode. This is more the active mode of our nervous system. And then we have the parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest mode. It's what we aim to get into when we are in meditation. It's relaxation. It's our cells are regenerating themselves. And typically we spend much too much time in our stress mode versus our restoration mode. So the breath we can use to put us into whatever mode we prefer, because the inhale activates our stress mode, although it's not always stressful. I say stress mode, but it's our active mode. Our sympathetic nervous system is just active. So every time we inhale, that part of our nervous system is activated. And every time we exhale, our parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest mode, is activated. So we are oscillating between these cycles, not only on longer periods of time in our days, over hours, over weeks, over months, but also with each cycle of the breath. And so when you are overactive, you can extend your exhale longer than your inhale, and that will start to shift you into the restore mode. And today we're going to practice a breathing exercise where we balance the two, and this will bring our whole being's balance, which is what we are aiming for. So the breathing technique is called the boxed breath because we are going to inhale for a count of 2, hold the breath in for a count of 2, exhale for a count of 2, and hold the breath out for a count of 2. So it's like a box. Inhale for 2, hold for 2, exhale for 2, hold for 2. I will guide you through it. So finding a comfortable position, sitting up tall with your shoulders back, so that your breath passageway is as open as it can be. And you can allow your eyes to flutter closed or leave them a little bit open so that some light is getting in so that you stay awake if you're tired. And it's beginning to come into your body, just noticing how you feel today. Recognizing that we go through so many different cycles with our breath, with our moods, with our energy levels throughout the day and week and month and year. And each part of the cycle has its place. There's no bad parts, but we can learn to identify what parts of our cycles that we are currently at just by feeling, noticing how our bodies feel. And recognizing it's part of the cycle gives us acceptance, as we remember that all states are temporary. So just noticing how you feel today, and let's take 3 deeper breaths to enhance our relaxation. Inhaling, filling up your whole body, full, expanding, and then exhaling a long and smooth exhale all the way until you're empty, even sucking your stomach in a bit to get out of that stale air out. A couple more breaths like that. Maybe even noticing the activation of your active nervous system, and then exhaling and feeling your body sink heavier into your seat. Surrendering, letting go. And one more deep breath like that. And then when you're done, letting go of any effort to control your breath. Just observe as your body knows what to do to bring it back into a balanced, gentle in and out flow. As your body comes to this balance, notice if there's any places that could be a little bit more relaxed. in your body, maybe your jaw, your neck or shoulders, along your spine or in your lower back or stomach, your hips or anywhere else. Scanning your body for what's real for you right now and letting go of excess tension. And once you've settled, become more still, we'll begin the breathing exercise. Inhaling for a count of 2. Hold in for 2. Exhale and hold out for 2. So inhale, 2, hold, 2, exhale, 2, hold, 2. Inhale, 2, hold, 2, exhale, 2, hold, 2. Inhale, 2, hold, 2, exhale, 2, hold, 2. Continue at your own pace, your own count. Feeling your body adjust to this structured breathing. Finding a rhythm that works for you. And then leaning into it or relaxing into it with your whole being, your body, your attention. Noticing how noticing how the different parts of the breathing feel in your body, feeling the expansion, maybe even noticing that activation of your active nervous system, noticing how it feels to hold the breath in, how it feels to release and hold it out. We'll maintain this breath for one more minute. Maintaining a relaxed body. And following the next 5 cycles of this breath. And after your next exhale, letting go of any effort or control over your breath, simply observing how your body's reacted to that practice. Letting your breath do whatever it wants to do, just feeling how your body feels. And here you can notice what it is that your body needs from you for the rest of the day. If it needs more activity, more rest. Now that we're quiet and tuned in, the body can communicate with us a bit easier. Just using your intuition, that sense of what you need. To take care of yourself. We'll start to deepen our breath. Longer inhales, bringing us more energy, bringing any gentle movements into your body that feel good. And when you're ready, we'll bring our hands in front of us and rub your palms together, warm them up. And then placing your hands over your eyes. Blinking your eyes open and releasing your hands.